Sneaking snacks in class.
Professor's not looking. I got my candy binder and my long straw for my drink.
Huh? What are you doing, Max?
Oh, me? I'm sneaking snacks to class and have a drink in my backpack.
You're so weird, Max.
At least I have snacks.
Huh? Is someone drinking something? Is someone drinking in my class?
Huh? No, I don't think so.
Oh, really? Then what's all this?
It's just decoration.
Okay. Huh? Then what's this long straw doing in your backpack?
You caught me.
No snacks or drinks in my class.
What?
I'll be taking this.
I told you it was a bad idea.
I'm gonna be so hungry now.
Perfect pass or barely pass. No! How did I do this bad? Oh!
You did bad, Stacy? Oh man, that means I must have failed.
I got an A-.
I'll do better next time, Stacy. Max, here's your test. I'm very disappointed in you, Max. Are you trying to fail my class?
Failing, but I studied like 3 times this month. Oh, I didn't fail. I got a C+.
C+ is barely passing, Max. Barely.
I still passed.
Oh, I just wanted an A+. Oh. Bad group partner. Max, come on, we have to finish the group project.
Oh, but it's so boring though.
Oh, this is why I hate group projects. I'll just do it myself. I'm done.
Oh, we finished?
Yeah, I finished everything.
All right, time's up. Hand in your group projects.
Here you go.
Hey! This looks great, guys. Good job.
Thanks. See, Stacy, he said we did a good job.
I did the whole thing by myself. You're a terrible partner.
Oh, come on, we're a team. Don't take all the credit.
Early riser or always late? Right, everything looks right. Oh! Alright, I finished even before I was supposed to wake up. Time to go to school.
Oh, what's that noise? Oh, I'm late for class.
It's almost time for class. Where's Max?
Wait a minute, I'm here, Professor.
You're almost late, Max. Go take your seat.
Okay, thanks, Professor.
How are you almost late every day, Max?
I just love sleeping in so much I can't get up on time.
That's why you have to be like me. I get to class 2 hours early.
What, 2 hours early? There's no way. Oh no, my backpack.
Again, Max? Here.
Oh, you're a lifesaver, Stacy. Thanks.
Whatever. Teacher's pet. Good morning, Professor. I brought you your favorite coffee.
Wow, thanks for getting me coffee. You can go take a seat now, Stacy.
Stacy?
Huh?
Why are you always giving the professor coffee?
Because I'm a good student, unlike you.
What? I'm a good student too.
Huh? Who's yelling in my class?
It was Max.
Oh, what? Oh, sorry, Professor.
You have to be quiet in my class, Max.
Yeah, listen to the professor.
Oh, man, she's such a teacher's pet. Oh, I know. Hey, I'm gonna give this apple to Professor Fred.
He doesn't even like apples.
Oh, we'll see. Professor!
Huh? What is it, Max?
I got you an apple. Here.
Wow, thanks, Max. I love apples.
Oh, you're welcome.
Wait, you do? Here, Professor, you can have my apples too.
It's okay. Max's apple is enough.
Who's a good student now, Stacy?
Whatever, Max. I'm still a better student.
I mean, he likes my apple more, so...
Class clown. Max, why are you throwing paper airplanes at me?
Huh? Who's being noisy? Is it you or you?
Max keeps throwing stuff at me.
No, I'm not. I don't even have any paper. Look.
I don't see any paper. But stop fooling around.
Yes, Professor. Oh. I'm gonna use this rubber band to shoot paper balls at Stacy. Time to shoot Stacy. Oh.
Huh? Is someone throwing stuff?
It wasn't me, Professor. I don't have anything to throw.
What?
It wasn't you?
No, I wasn't. I wouldn't throw anything at you.
It was probably nothing then.
Stop running around, Max. You're gonna get us both in trouble.
Oh man, I got him good.
The cheater gets backstabbed.
All right, you have 1 hour to finish your tests.
Thanks, Professor. I'm so lucky I studied all month for this.
A month? Who has a month to study for this test? Luckily, I have a cheat sheet. Now I can check all my equations without getting caught.
Huh? Professor, Max is cheating!
Huh? Who's cheating in my class?
Max is look right here!
No, there's nothing here.
Let me see. Aha! can you explain this?
Oh, how did that get on my desk?
There's no cheating in my class, Max. You failed this test.
Oh, what? Oh, my mom's gonna be so mad. Oh.
Short temper.
For your history project, you can only choose art, music, or science. Which one would you like?
Art.
Huh? Only one person per topic.
Max, let me do it. Art's my favorite.
What? But art's the easiest. I want it.
No, I want it.
Whoa, Stacy, calm down. Why are you so angry?
Whoa, everyone, take a breath. Okay, Stacy, you can have art, and Max, why don't you do music?
Yes, I got art.
Oh, why does Stacy get angry over the littlest things?
Hello, can you hear me?
All right, everyone, today's lesson is really hard, so pay attention.
Oh, man.
All right, for this lesson, we need to use the power rule to find f prime of x.
What,
So
the power?
f prime of x will be
Wait,
2x. All right, who wants to give the power rule a try? Max? Stacy?
No way, I don't understand any of this stuff, Professor.
All right, Max. Oh, you're nodding your head, Stacy. You want to come up and try it? Okay, Stacy, come on up. Stacy, come on up. Huh?
Huh? Were you talking to me, Professor?
What? You were listening to music that whole time? Give me those. You can have these back at the end of class.
Oh, my earphones.
I thought I was the only one who didn't get it.
Max the Blamer.
That's so funny. Stacy, check this out. Look it.
Max, stop distracting my class. Put that away before I take it.
Oh, okay, Professor. I'll just keep my phone right here so he won't notice.
What's going on here?
Nothing, Professor. Stacy just told me a funny joke.
No, I didn't.
You're joking too, Stacy? Stop fooling around.
You got me in trouble.
Hey, at least he didn't take my phone.
Oh, Max.
Hi, everyone.
If you guys like our good and bad student video, leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.